Can you remember that in our previous lesson, we learned 1 to 10. That means the way how it makes 10 with the help of two numbers. Today we are going to learn how do we make 20. That means by adding two numbers, how does it make 20? Now look at this, I have a nice flower. In each petal, there are some. I have not repeated same thing. I have some petals and I have written the sum. When we add all these, the answer is 20. Now let's move to our lesson. Number bonds to 20 are pairs of numbers that give 20 as the answer when they add together. This is same as 10. Number bonds to 20 means when we add a pair of number together, if it makes 20 as the answer, we call it a number bond of 20. This example will move to that, right? Now here I will get the help of beaded string. I have 20 beads on my string and here I am going to fill this blank. 15 plus blank is equal to 20. Now I am going to fill this blank using my beaded string. You may see I have 10 white beads and 10 red beads. Altogether it's 20. I have marked it. Now I am going to find the missing number. So they have given 15 and they says that the answer is 20. So I have 20 beads and now I am going to mark 15th bead on my beaded string. Let's count and mark, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and this is the 15th bead. Now it is easy to find the missing number. Let's count the remaining number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Here I have one more example. This also says there is a blank plus 8 is equals 20. So the answer is 20. I have 20 beads in my beaded line and I'm going to mark 8 beads on my beaded string because they have given 8 and we should find the balance. What we should add with 8 to make 20.
Teacher, I can't see your screen.
Oh, wait, I will stop and share it again. Is it okay, Dinura?
Teacher.
Okay. Dinura?
It's okay.
Now I will start, right? Here I have a blank plus 8 is equal to 20. Being the answer is 20, I have taken 20 beads and now I am going to mark the 8th one on the beaded string to find the missing number what we should add with 8 to make 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8 bead. Now we should count the remaining numbers to find the missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The missing number is 12.
12.
12 plus 8 is equal 20. Now, let's move an example like this. If this says 11 plus 9 is equals. We should find the answer here. 11 plus 9. When we are getting this kind of sum, first we should know number bonds. Do you have studied that number bonds to 10? That knowledge is very useful to continue this lesson. 11 plus 9 is equal, there is a blank. With the help of number bond, we are going to find the answer here. 11. We can write number 11 as 10 plus 1. We can write number 11 as 10 plus 1. And next we can add this 9. Now we have expanded this sum 10 plus 1 plus 9. Now we know 9 plus 1 is equal 10. Then we have to add 10 plus 10. In here, this 1 is 0. We can write 0 here. And next we add 10. 1 plus 1. It is 1 plus 1. It is 2. So the answer is 20. Is this clear? Is this clear for you all? If yes, please raise your hand.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Very good. Okay, now I will explain one more example, right? Now this is 13 plus 7. We can write 13 as 10 plus 3. 13, we can write 10 plus 3. And then we can add this 7 later. Now I have expanded this 13 and going to add number 7. With the help of number bonds to 10, we know 3 plus 7 is equal 10. Here 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 is equal 10. We know that. Now again we have 10 plus 10. So we can write 0 plus 0 is equal 0. And 1 plus 1, 1 and 1 more. The answer is 2. Got it? Is it clear? Yes. Very good. Now here, this is our today's lesson. Today we are going to learn number bonds to 20. If we know number bonds to 10 and 20, it is very easy to do smaller sums without doing calculation. The main thing is we should know the bonds to 10. If we know the bonds to 10, we can make bonds to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So the main thing you should practice and keep them in your mind that the bonds which make number 10. Okay, let's go ahead. Sangeeta, what are you doing? Here 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 9 plus 1. All these are bonds to number 10. Today we are going to learn number bonds to 20. Now look at these two. Whether you have noticed some similarity. This is 1 plus 9. This is 1 plus 19. 2 plus 8. This is 2 plus 18. 3 plus 7. This is 3 plus 17. Only thing is, we have added 10 more. 9 plus 10, it is 19. 19 plus 1. 8 plus 10, it is 18. 18 plus 2. 7 plus 10, it is 17. 17 plus 3 is made 20. Look at this. 6 plus 4, it is 10. And this is 16 plus 4 is equal 20. You should practice these things, right? And with the help of this number bonds to 20, let's find the missing numbers without doing calculation. Now you can talk, right? You can give answer with the help of this box only. Number bonds to 20. Use this. By looking at this, tell me the answer. Here I need the answer. 16 plus blank is equals 20. Now check this and tell me the answer. 16 plus blank is equals 20. Maybe the answer. 16 plus which number makes 20? 4. 16 plus 4 is equal. Okay. Here this says 16 plus 4 is equal 20. So the answer is this is. That is 4. Did we do any calculation to find the answer?
No.
No. By just looking at the number bond, we say it is 4. So, if we have thorough knowledge of number bonds, we can solve smaller sums without doing calculation. Now look at this. Blank plus 7 is equals 20. What may be the answer? Which number we should add with 7 to make 20?
30.
Yes, here it says 7 plus 13 is equals 20. The answer is 13. Now this one. Blank plus 5 is equals 20. You can tell me the answer. Is 15. Yes, it is 15. Now here we had 3 sums to find the missing number without doing any calculation. With the help of number bonds to 20, we found the answer. So, please practice. Keep these things in your mind. Then it is easy for you to do your sums. Now look at this. This is a separate concept. So please listen and watch what I am doing, right? Here also it says add these numbers. This is addition. Here symbol is there. It says 6 plus 8 plus 4 is equal. Here they are asking us to find the answer. Now by looking at these 3 numbers, can you observe something? 6, 8, 4. Did you notice something? Did anyone notice something?
Red color.
Look at these red color numbers. I have highlighted 2 numbers in red. By looking at the 2 numbers, can you tell something?
6 plus 4 is 10.
6 and 4.
6 plus 4. is 10.
Yes, good. 6 plus 4 is equals 10. So straight away we can write the answer for here. It is 10 and we will take this 8 here. Now we know the answer. 10 plus 8. What is the answer? We have 10 and we should add 8 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here I have folded 8 fingers and I count from 10. I have 8. From 10 we'll count, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The answer is 18. Shall we move?
30.
Now look at this. 2 plus 2 plus 8. Let's change this number, right? Let's make it 3, right? 2 plus 3 plus 8 is equals. We're supposed to find the answer. Now there are two numbers in red color. Which makes 10. I need your answer. Here look at this. 8 plus 2. We have 8. And we are adding 2 more. 1, 2. What is the answer? It is 10. These are number bonds to 10 to 10. That's what I ask you to keep these things in practice. Eight plus 2 is equals 10. And now we are going to add the other 3. Now tell me 10 plus 3. What is the answer? 10 plus 3 is 13.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now can you find the answer for this and tell me?
10, teacher.
Yes, 3 plus 7 it is 10.
10.
It is 10 and here we should write balance number, the remaining one. What is the remaining number? It is
40.
10 plus 4 is 40. Let me.
14.
Yes, that is 14. Let's mute your mic, right? Now, are you okay with these things?
Yes, teacher.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Dinura, are you okay?
Okay, teacher.
Sanghita, are you sleeping? Huh?
No.
No. Yehali. Okay. Okay. Then I will move to our next concept, right? Now look at this. This is also a new thing. Please go through this first. Says complete this addition. There are 3 sums. Please go through it and check whether you notice something. In the first one, I will explain, right? In first sum, 6 plus 5 plus 6. I have revised the same number 2 times. 6 plus 6. And here, 9 plus 4 plus 9. Here also I have written number 9 in 2 times. Here also it is same. 8 plus 8 plus 3. In all these sums, I have revised one number 2 times. 6 plus 6, 9 plus 9, 8 plus 8.
Teacher, the first answer is 12.
Yes. Now we are going to
The second answer is 18.
18.
The third one is 16.
Yes. Now here, look at this red color one. Here I have written something. That means I have written the same number 2 times and I have written the answer. I have added the same number 2 times and I have written the answer. For this we call doubling. That means double. We have written 1 2 times. We make it double. If we have 1, we add 1 more. Then we double it. If we have 2, we add 2 more. We double it. We have 3, we add 3 more. The same number 2 times. That we call doubling. Double. You also like to make double, right? When your siblings are giving something, imagine that your parents, your mother brought you a packet of biscuit and your sister gave 2 and she kept all the others. Then your mother is asking your sister, please double it and give it. Then if you have 2, your sister will give another 2. Then you will get 4. You will like that, right? If you get homework by doubling, will you love? Huh? You have 1 page. Then will you ask, teacher, give me 1 more page? Will you ask? I think you never ask that. Okay, let's move to the lesson. By looking at this table only, we are going to find the answer for here, right? 6 plus 5 plus 6. Now, the one number we have written 2 times. So, we are going to find the answer 6 plus 6. Where is it? Here.
12.
6 plus 6 is equals to 12. Now, we are going to write
2. The second one is 18. 18.
5 is here. So, what is the answer? 12 plus 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, it is 7.
70.
The remaining one is there. It is 17. Now, what about this? 9 plus 9 is equal 9 plus 9 is equal 18.
18.
Yes, 9 plus 9 is equals 18. Plus, what is the remaining number? Now look at this. 8 plus 4.
22.
Yes.
22.
Yes, Pute, the answer is 22. Now look at this one. 8 plus 8, where is it? Here.
16.
Yes, it is 16. Plus, what is the remaining number? It is 3. And what is the answer? 16 plus 3.
19.
Yes, it is 19.
Teacher, the answer is 19.
Yes, the answer is 19. Okay, now you can speak up. Do you have any question?